And it's my last final week as a second year student.
Last practical exam!
One of the easiest yung case na nababasa. Kailangan ko mag-aral for MS. Madaming subject. Last exam, second. Guys, it's 1:39. It's Sunday. And it's May 17. And it's my last finals week as a second year student. Kasi guys, nag-remove ako ng clips. Nag-delete ako ng clips from my camera na hindi ko na na-edit. Like, simula pa yun ng first year, na CRS week and everything. And parang so many things have changed. So, I deleted that clips. And now I have storage for this vlog. Okay. Ang agenda ko for this day is to read yung mga hindi ko masyado na-read. Then, mag-MSK na ako later tonight. So, ayun ang plan natin, guys. Also, yung Aztec Lab pala. So, ayun. Come with me for this. Come with me. Let's spend this finals week together, guys. Ang goal ko for this week is hindi ma-stress masyado. And just enjoy last 1 week of second year. Guys, third year na ako next year. That's like insane to say. What the hell? Like, parang third year is like so old. Parang if iisipin ko nung high school ako na third year, super ang layo niya, hindi ko ma-reach. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna organize all of this para may peace of mind ako. Bye. It's 3:55. I finished the one lesson of psych. Then I'm gonna study MS. The first 3 lessons. Hi guys, it's 10:38. Update. I've been stressed eating. Oh my god. I just finished like buong giga friend. Finished 2 lessons of MS. I think that really helped me like process each. So, sana hindi na ako mahirapan ng Thursday. So, ngayon, nagmat ako ngayon. Hopefully, I can review this and memorize. I think I can't memorize, but I just want progress. Because, ayun. Bumibili ko ng concert ni Daniel Season. Ngayon, nag-mat nga ako para may progress ako. Kasi nga, bawal kami mag-excel. And guys, grabe, ang bubo sa math. Oh my god. Anyway, kasi entire day mag-MSK ako. Study guys, this is 73 slides. It's 10:30 pa lang naman. I can like lock in. I think I'm not gonna puyat because I want all my energy tomorrow. Update guys! Oh my god! I finished the last lesson. Like, I need to practice more. Ang plan ko is morning I will practice lab. And then afternoon I'll study. Till evening I study. Like, syempre, hindi na naman ako nakapag-vlog kahapon, diba guys? So, it's 5:02 guys. We're gonna go to Manila. My exam is at 9:30. Hindi pa ako matatapos mag-aaral. I mean, tapos na ako, pero I need to... This is my lab. I'll see you later. Kinda scared.
Dadala.
Tapos ano yun yung fatality?
Ay! Dadawal.
Tawang-tawa ako nung ginagawa sa'yo yung sir.
Today is the first day of finals.
We're done with one exam.
We're done with MSK lecture, finally. The last exam for the whole MSK. And now, we're gonna get ready for our last practical exam.
Time check and
Time is
It's 10:57.
this time check is brought to you by Nestle Lemon Summit Natural Drinking Water.
Alaman dahil naging ganito.
Okay guys, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna practice.
one bang.
Bye.
Say bye, Jo. Jo, you need to be...
Bye, Jo.
Hi guys, oh my god. Hi guys, it's currently 6:37. Magsisimula pa lang ako guys, what the hell. Natawag ako guys, ano na, mga 3 o'clock. Tapos, natapos ako mga 4. Tapos guys, I got low back pain lang. Ako yung pinaka last kay Sir Tope. Which is like, kasi nauna guys, sabi niya, wala, hanggang kay Alexa lang siya. Tapos sa kapartner ko, wala. I mean, nauna yung kapartner ko. So, I was, kanina ako kapartner that time. Pero, we're done. I think, one of the easiest yung case na napunta sa akin. Like, low back pain. Chronic low back pain. Kaya, super saya ko na nakuha ko yun. Kasi ACL yung sa kapartner ko, which okay lang naman din. Anyway, so I got that. 6:30 na guys. Tatlo yung exam ko tomorrow. And, hindi ako agad nakapag-start kasi super sakit ng ulo ko kanina. Oh my gulay. Like, parang, as in, actually ngayon, kaya look guys, I'm like, this is the reality. Super sakit niya guys. Tapos, ang init kanina. As in, super init. Tapos, biglang pagpasok ko sa lab, sa tuwon to super lamig. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyayari. Anyway, I'm currently finishing math kasi naaral ko na yung modulo. And then, magsasike ako, and then MS. Thankfully, guys, sisimulan ko lahat ng to. May-progress ako sa bawat subject na to, so hindi ako masyado nagmamadali. And I just wanna take my time. Guys, oh my god, guys. My greatest achievement is that ang taas ko sa MSK like, like, oh my god, guys. First time ko over 60. First time ko mag-line of 5 sa MSK. Anyway, that's the update for today. I'm just gonna study. It's 6:40. Late na guys. Oh my god. May mga kaibigan ako na nag-start na ng alas 2 at alas 3. Kaya, we gotta lock in. And guys, oh my god. 2 more days before my second year is over and done. And hello, third year. Sakit talaga na ulo ko. Tapos, naiirita ako sa mga hindi like super loud na songs. Hi guys, it's currently 9:38. I'm psyched. I ordered chicken tenders and fries. And my head is fucking aching so bad. Like, super sakit guys. Oh my god, parang siyang pumipintig. Anyway, that's an update. It's nice to have MS. And psych. Our stress. I'm back guys. For our stress eating tonight, we have pick up coffee guys. My second coffee. This is Oreo, then I added double shot. It's kinda good. We have chicken tenders and fries. Still my first lesson for psych. Okay guys, let's get started guys. My head is full of kasin ko. Kaya kanina nasa eleb ako. I was so conscious kasi mamaya amoy yung kating ko. Pero wala lang pa. Hi guys, it's 2:24. We just finished yung math and psych, which fits. And now, kailangan ko mag-aral for MS na 2:30.
Medyo okay na yung hinga ko.
Kanina ko, gumagano ako.
Hindi na nga lang pinapansin.
Okay guys, mag-aaral na kami.
Sino lang?
I'm studying med-surg guys. Sobrang daming aaralan.
Hi guys. So, today is the second day of our exam. And medyo mabigat siya kasi today yung madaming subject, madaming lecture na nangyayari. We are pushing through because last day na bukas and gusto na namin matapos ang second year. I'm passing the phone to the prettiest girls in the world. No. See you in the last day. See you tomorrow. Hell yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys, first time ko dito sa live ng med.
Okay, ready? Hey guys! So, dito kami sa NGC. The last night that we will be studying for second year. Because tomorrow, we're officially going to be road to third year. Tama na. Nothing compared to this. Pagod na ako. Hindi ko na alam. Sana umasa ako bukas.
Like hand orthosis with empty block person.
Ano yan? For arthritic conditions.
Anong pinaprevent niya?
Ulnar drift.
Guys, taray na talaga siya.
Tapos ako na naman pinakamababa bukas. Difficulty. Universal cuff.
Kana ko sa indication ng wrist cuff split with MCP synovitis.
Inflammation ng synovitis.
Hi vlog! Time check guys, it's 7:44. It's our last day of exams. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa 144. Say hi!
Distinguish yung Taylor sa Night Taylor.
Nandito kami ngayon sa room 144.
Pare-pareho na sila.
Kasi
Pag may Taylor may dito. Ha?
Tawag ito, may exam kami.
Yung Night Taylor yung may ganda. Yung dudog yun. Alam niyo pa ba yung Gago nakalagay doon so may.
Hi guys, it's 9:57 and we just finished our last Aztec Lab pracs. It was so crazy guys, may shoes na hindi namin inaaral. Guys, we're gonna have our last Aztec leg exam. It's our last exam as second years. Hi, mamaya na!